Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Kit, formerly ConvertKit.com. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to use Kit for email marketing, you will be needing first to have like prospects or to be having some subscribers. And basically, you will be needing to start using these grow tools so you can start having first your subscribers. And basically, either you can start having landing page and forms, and then you will be needing just to share them through your social media or wherever, and so you can get more uh, growth in audience. And the more the audience you will have, the more you will be able to start sending your email marketing emails or broadcasts, etc. And basically, we can start by creating a form, for example, and you can choose any type of form, or you can simply create a landing page for your product or anything. So as you can see here, either we can choose like for a video profile, product, and you will find many things concerning like the templates for a landing page. You can choose anyone and then you can start like customizing in it. So as you can see, you can just like have whatever you'd like, and from there you can publish it and it will be published by your name. So this is the link where other people will be able to get to your landing page, and from here they will be needing to add their addresses. So after they add their addresses, you will be able to start finding them in subscribers. So here you will have the subscribers that you get. Also, you can start importing your subscribers. The next step would be is to start sending your marketing uh, campaigns, for example, emails or whatever. And then you can click on broadcast, and from here you can choose the email that you want to send. For example, we can click on create new broadcast, and from here you will either choose from templates or you can simply click on uh, classic one and then start customizing on it. So for example, I'm just going to choose this one, arbitrary, and then you will be needing just to click on continue after finishing customizing your mail, and then click on continue to share, and from there you will be able to start sending email and choose your subscribers. So either you can choose some list that you have or all the subscribers that you have, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.